Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. Today we're looking at some mini jumbo playing cards. These are put out by Cardinal in association with Disney, and they're aimed at ages 3 and up, and it's one set of cards. It's also got instructions in here for different card games like Go Fish, Crazy Eights, etc. So let's open these up and take a look at what we've got. This runs about $2. I think I found these at Walmart. You can find them at a lot of different places. Cardinal does a lot of different games, so it's fairly easy to stumble across something like this, especially with playing cards. They're not sealed, that's kind of annoying. Alright, so we've got this really tiny print instruction sheet for different games. Yeah, there's no copyright on it, so I don't know when this came out, but I bought them in June or July of 2020, so should still be floating around. I would definitely check the dollar stores for this, but like I said, I got my copy at Walmart. The back image is pretty cool, so let's see what these cards look like. They're nice big cards. I mean, they are jumbo. I don't know who these animals are. The cat looked like he was from one of the movies, but I have no idea. Maybe it's from a cartoon or something. Well, they do give you Joker cards, which is pretty nice, so that means there's 54 cards here. The Jokers are the same, which is a little disappointing, but there's a decent variety. It would have been nice to have different images on the different suits, but for the price, yeah, these are actually pretty nice. The coating does feel really cheap on these, so I don't know how well over time they're going to hold up, but they are fairly nice, considering that they're only like $2 for the whole thing. So yeah, not bad. I'm kind of impressed with it for the price. So if you're a big Disney fan, or you've got kids that are Disney fans, this would be a good thing to get as a stocking stuffer or a side extra for a birthday gift, or just to kind of keep them quiet or whatever. And that has instructions for different games. That's really cool. So if you've got kids or you're a huge Disney fanatic, like I said, this is definitely going to be for you. Not really my thing. I'm not into the Disney stuff. But pretty decent little set. considering it was only $1 or $2, probably worth it. So we've seen what's in the box. I've given you what I think of the condition and quality of it. That's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for listening and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future unboxings and reviews. If you want to help the channel in other ways, links are in the description. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.